Hi, this is Mr. Dring from Fulford School. This video is for Year 9, Year 10 or Year 11 iMedia students to guide you through how to access your work so that you can stay up to date with iMedia projects while schools are closed. So each week in class charts you'll get homework that pops up that just says week 1, week 2, week 3, and the information on class charts will be pretty much the same each week. It just has the same link to the same VLE page, but when you click on that link it takes you to a page and you'll see a new project appearing each week. So the first time you follow that link it might ask you to sign in with your school username and password, and it might ask you for an enrolment key. Now be careful, these enrolment keys are different for each group and they're case sensitive, so put the capital letters in, and these are capital I's for iMedia. Once you've logged in you'll find the project for this week, and the format for each week is going to be very similar. So a couple of learning objectives to revise for, a quick quiz to see how much you've understood and remembered, and then a creative challenge so that you can try out some different multimedia skills each week if you get time to do it. Now, your priorities. If you are ill, your number one priority is to get better, to look after yourself. If someone in your house is ill, then your priority is to look after them. But if you get time, work through as many of these as you can. So for each learning objective, if you click the link next to the item on the checklist, scroll to the bottom of the page and you'll see the online revision guide. Just make your own notes, either on a flashcard or a mind map or however works for you for your revision, and then tick it off once you've made your notes. That means that I can see how far through all of these tasks everyone is. Then once you've made your notes, see how much you've understood with one of the keyword games. So try and put these into the right order to see if you can remember how to spell or spot these keywords. So do that for each of the learning objectives, make your notes, test yourself, see how much you've understood, and then have a go at the revision quiz. So these are just some quick questions that give you instant feedback. Try and match up the keywords, the definitions, see how much you've understood, and when you've finished it will give you the right answers and what you got wrong as well. Okay, each week an optional challenge. I really like this one. I've been chuckling away at this for most of the week. Just some creative ideas. You could try and make your own video, practice some video editing skills on an iPad or a tablet or your mobile or whatever. We'll put a different challenge on each week and I'm looking forward to seeing what you can create. Fab. So look after yourselves while you're off. Looking forward to seeing you when you come back, and all the very best. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.